How to reset State Street password. In order to reset your State Street password, you have to go to the login page. So what you want to do is basically open up your browser. You want to type in sml.statestreet.com, and you could type in slash recover password as well. You click onto the link and then you will be taken to this field, right? So here you have these section where you could go and click on reset form over here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make it to the desktop side first thing first. And here you have a reset form, right? You click onto it, and as you could see, if you don't have a pin yet, use a 6-digit to token code in the password fields as well. So likewise, you could go ahead and use the 6-digit token code as well if you're not able to reset. Otherwise, if you could find the option like forgot password, something like that, you could go ahead and click onto it and follow the on-screen prompt to recover your password as well. Now here, if you're not able to do it, in that case you just want to contact the support team. So for that, you just want to open up your browser, type in State Street support. You will be able to find contact us link at the very top. You click onto it. Here you want to go ahead and fill out this form, and when you make this as a desktop side, it will be easy for you. And you just want to go ahead and fill in all your information like your topic of your inquiry. So as for this, you just want to go ahead and select accounts, type in your first name, your organization, all that stuff, and this way you'll be able to reset your State Street password. So with that, we've come to an end. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.